Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Bit different metallic black. It's a Ford Transit Custom. It's a 2-litre TDI. It's a 270 Trend L1H1 standard height, standard wheelbase. 5-door. It's a 2018. It's one lease company owner from new. One lease company owner from new, 104,000 miles. It's had the wet belt done this year. They really look after it. It has a full maintenance printout, 7 pages long, all the services and every penny that's needed to be spent on this van has been spent on it. Now it's a maintenance van, so it's been used a bit inside, but generally it's very nice. You can see all the tyres are like new. There's a few marks and chips, but basically it's a drives really well, very well maintained, pretty tidy van. Some dents in the one back door. It is ply lined. As I say, all the tyres are very good. Front fog lamps, front park sensors, rear park sensors. Nice and clean in the cab, not wrecked. Leather steering wheel with cruise control, Bluetooth, obviously air conditioning, 3 seats in the front, fold down armrest, 6-speed manual, diesel, electric windows, electric mirrors, folding mirrors. Ply lined inside, steel bulkhead, LED lighting, couple of old drawers which are screwed in for your tools, little shelving unit. Other than that, pretty much as you'd expect. So 6 or 7 pages of printout, maintenance history, properly looked after, drives like a brand new van. Front and rear park sensors. Wet belt done, I think it's either January or February this year. It's done 4,000 miles since, that's all. The only dents in the van really are in the one back door. There's a couple of shallow dents. The rest of the van, nice, straight, ready to work. Just been MOT'd, no advisories, doesn't need a wet belt doing. Electric mirrors, folding mirrors, door card in nice condition, door rubbers, steps, driver's seat in nice, it's not wrecked. This one comes with, I'm pretty sure, 2 keys, 104,000 miles, 6-speed manual, diesel, aircon, Bluetooth, no VAT. Now one owner from new. Mega maintenance printout, properly looked after from day one. Just had the wet belt done this year at 100,000 miles, now done 104. £9,245, no VAT. Can't express how well this van drives and how good it is mechanically. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other vehicles in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos and van videos we've produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you would get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You'd be one of the first people then in the country to know we've just had that vehicle in. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.